Hey everyone, what's up? How are you guys doing? It's Anna here, and I want to share something that could make a huge difference in both your skin and your gut health all in one. If you have been looking for a natural way to get that healthy glow while also improving your digestion, this is exactly what you need. So I'm going to be talking about PrimeBiome. I am sure you have heard of it. It's all over the internet. This probiotic formula is designed to support your skin from the inside out. Because as we age, our skin's renewal process really slows down, and it leads to dullness, uneven texture, and even early signs of aging. And PrimeBiome helps your body naturally refresh and rejuvenate your skin so that it looks brighter, healthier, and more youthful. But here's the best part. It doesn't just work on your skin. PrimeBiome also supports gut health, which is actually the key to overall wellness. A balanced gut helps with digestion, boosts metabolism, and even plays a role in maintaining a healthy weight. And when your gut is happy, your skin benefits too. That's why taking care of both at the same time can have such a powerful effect. So what makes PrimeBiome so effective? I've seen this question all over the internet. Each gummy is packed with carefully selected natural ingredients that work together to support digestion and promote clearer, healthier skin. It contains stuff like bobchi, known for its skin rejuvenating properties, and B coagulans, a probiotic that helps balance gut bacteria. You'll also find fennel and dandelion, which aid digestion, inulin, a prebiotic that nourishes good bacteria, and fenugreek, which supports metabolism and overall health. And the best part, PrimeBiome is made with high quality, non-GMO ingredients, and it's completely free of stimulants. It's easy to take, just one gummy a day and you're good to go. Now, if you're thinking about trying it, here's something exciting. When you order 6 bottles today, you'll receive 2 free bonuses. It's the perfect way to stock up and get the most value for your money. Just one important detail, PrimeBiome is only available through the official website. You're not going to find it in stores or on other online marketplaces. So to make sure that you guys are getting the real product and having a safe purchase, check out the link down below in the description of this video to order directly from the official website. If you're ready to give your skin and your gut the care they really deserve, PrimeBiome makes it super simple and effective. I can't wait for you to see the benefits for yourself. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.